Alrighty, good morning, happy hump day. I'm finally getting around to bottling up my vanilla extract that I started in April at the beginning of the year, and I got them all bottled up. I started a new batch last night, and I'm starting this one with Captain Morgan. This is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite. And what I end up doing is just taking all the seeds that I had, the vanilla beans that I had left over from this batch, and I just incorporated all of them. I had about that much left in here, so I just added more Captain Morgan. And the Craisins are still in there, and so are the Golden Raisins. So this one should finish up pretty quick. So at least by December when I start my holiday baking. And then I have another batch of vanilla beans, and I'll start that batch here. And I love my little sealing thing because it just gives it a more personal touch when you can add a little label to it. And I add my labels by doing just that. So, and they come with my bottles. I ordered those on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box, and they come with cute little I don't know what you call these things, but it just finishes them off and makes them look so cute. And I can tell this one is the one that I made with the spice rum because of the Craisins and the Golden Raisins. And these were made with the vodka. I just put one vanilla bean in there, left it in there, so that way when they finish it, they can just refill it up with vodka and start it all over again. And it's really important that you label, that you label and date it, because that way that's the way that I knew that it was time. So that one is the vodka one, and here is my new one that I'm starting. And to finish these off, I have this cute little heat gun. You just hit it with the heat gun and it seals it. Yep. And she's sealed. Just makes it look nice. And then what I end up doing, I just take a little rubbing alcohol, put it on a napkin so I can make sure that the bottle didn't have any sticky stuff on it, so my label will stick just fine. And I put my little label on, which I love because I put these things on everything that all of my goodies that I give away to my elderly people. They just love it. And that just goes on just like this. And we're done, ready for Christmas. So what I'll do at Christmas time, I'll wrap a nice little cute little bow around there, and these will be my Christmas presents. And my sister's already been busting my chops talking about, where's mine? You'll get yours, sis, no worries. And these labels are really cute. It just gives it a nice finishing touch and let people know that, you know what, you made that and you made it with love. I got one more left out of this batch, and then I have another case back in my storeroom. Alright, so that is it for my vanilla extract. And it is absolutely delicious, especially that one. That is my favorite with the Captain Morgan. So as you can see, I started another one. So I'll get me some vodka over the weekend and start my my new one. So I'll have vanilla for the holidays. Okay, have a good day, you guys, and I will see you soon.